Welcome to Home Academy. For math practice, we are going to solve a very interesting math based on HCF, highest common factor. Let's start it. First, we have to read the question, which is the HCF of two numbers is 8. Okay? One of the numbers is between 20 and 30. The other number is between 40 and 60. What are the two numbers? Okay, so first we have to understand what is HCF. This is highest common factor. It means the common number should be 8. In this case, we can consider two things. Answer. First, one number is between 20 and 30. Let's consider, or let's call this number A. Let's call this number A. Okay, another number is between 40 and 60. Let's call this number B. Okay, now we have to factorize. We have to factorize the possible value. Look, since the HCF is 8, both numbers must be multiplied 8. So we can write like this: since the HCF is 8, both numbers must be multiplies is or of 8. So now look, numbers between 20 and 30 that are multiplies of 8. So first, numbers between 20 and 30 that are multiplies of 8. So what? So we know that 8 times table. Look, 8 times 1 equals to 8, 8 times 2 equals to 16. 8 and 16 we cannot take, because we should find the number between 20 to 30. So look, 8 times 3 is a 24, 8 times 4 is a 32. Look, 8 to 16, here we cannot take anything, and 32 also not we can take, because this is not inside 20 to 30. So we take 24. Okay, so we take this one, multiplies of 8, which is 24. 8 times 3 is a 24. 32 or more than anything we cannot take. So A equals to 24. Now between 40 and 60. So let's consider 8 times 5 is a 40, 8 times 6 is a 48, 8 times 7 is a 56, 8 times 8 is a 64, but we cannot take this one. So we just take, so now between 40 and 60, B equals to what? 40, 48 and 56, which is between 40 and 60. Look, everything is multiplies of 8. Now we have to find out or check HCF. So check HCF. One number and another number. One number between 20 and 30. Another number is 40 and what? 60. Okay. Now look, this is 24. We can write 24 if we make prime factorization. So 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is a what? 4, 4 times 2 is a 8, 8 times 3 is a 24, right? Then in 40 to 60 we get three things. One is 40, one is 48, another one is 56. 40 we can write like 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 48 we can write 2 times 2 times 2, it's a, and then 2 and then 3. Okay, and finally this 56, it's a 2 times 2 times 2, this is the 8, 8 times 7 is a 56. Now look, first we check 24 and 40 HCF equals to, look, this is 3 2's and here is also 3 2's. So 2 to the power 3 is a common thing, it means 8. Now 24 and what? 48 HCF. So 24 is a 23 and here is another 3, and but here is 1 2 3 and also 3, it means 2 to the power 3 times 3, it's a what? It's not equals to 8, it should be 24. And 24 56 HCF. 24 here is 2 2 2 and times 3, and 56 is 2 2 2 and times 7, so 3/2 is a common thing, so this is 23, it's a 8. So one number is what? One number is 24, another number is what? 40 or 56, because this number and 24 also HCF is 8, but 24 and 48 HCF is not 8. We have to find out 8. So our right answer is 24 or 40 and 24 or 56, and this is our question answer. So thank you very much being with me. This is very important math for standard 6 to 8. Please make practice this one at home, because factors of number is very important chapter any kinds of examination around the world. So please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you. Thank you.